Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another quick and easy sewing project. In today's tutorial, we're going to make this fabric matching game. If you have lots of fabric scraps and you're looking for a way to keep your kids or grandkids busy, this just might be the project for you. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need matching pairs of fabric scraps for the front. I'm making 18 pair, so I'll have 36 scraps total. You'll need a fat quarter for the backings. You'll need polyester or cotton batting, and pinking shears or a pinking blade. First, cut the backing fabric into 36 squares and cut the batting into the same size. Place a piece of backing fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Center a layer of batting on top. Add a piece of front fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Align the edges and use fabric clips or pins to help keep the layers from shifting while you're stitching. Place the next piece of backing fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, center a layer of batting, then add the matching front fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up and pin or clip to hold them in place. Use the same technique with the remaining pairs of fabrics. Stitch around the outside of each of the squares about ½ inch from the raw edges. Make sure your thread color matches the backing fabric color. Use the same technique with the remaining pairs of fabrics. Use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim between the stitching line and the raw edge of each of the squares. When those pieces are all done, the game's ready to go. Consider adjusting the number of pairs used at a time, up or down, depending on the age of the children playing the game. And just like that, just that fast, you've made your grandkids, or kids, or nieces, or nephews, or made a great gift for someone else's kids by using up some of your fabric scraps. See you next time with another project.